Hello, welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to install the DeepGlow. But before that, let me tell you for Mac user and for Windows user, they can both use. Here you can see for Mac, here you can see for Windows. You can join the WhatsApp community to get it. Okay, before that, let me tell you the best thing that it is for Mac. This file is for Mac and this file is for Windows user. Okay, but I'm not a Mac user. Let me tell you, for both the solution is one. What is the solution? Let me tell you the solution. So here is the file for Windows user. Just copy this. If you copy this, then close that. Close it. When you close this, so just open this After Effect, open location. Okay, now you have opened the After Effect location. Let me tell you. So just here you can see plugins. So here you can find the plugins folder, like where you have installed After Effects, then come to After Effects. When you come to After Effects, then come to plugins. Plugins, after plugins, just if you click this, so here you can see the DeepGlow. So you can paste your file from where you have copied that file, just paste it here. So it will be done. Let me open After Effects for you. Now you have opened this After Effects, so it is really easy to use. Just create a new composition. So let me create it for you. Just create a new composition. When you created the new composition, when you open After Effects, so just create a new composition. Now just write it here something like a travel guy. Okay, so you have write this. Just go to move tool, select it, and just okay. Now it is deliberate. Deep. Here you can see DeepGlow. So just paste it here. Okay, when you paste it, so it will show like this. Just change the setting like 0.20. I think this is fine. This is the DeepGlow. So you can less than, okay, like this. You can use it with any kind of text or anything. Okay, so you can change the text or here as well and here as well. Okay, just change it so the glow will automatically change it. Okay, so this is the DeepGlow plugin. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and join the WhatsApp community so you will find anything over there. So this is fine. Okay, so I have told you where to install it. Bye.